Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today is another Arabian makeup look requested by many of my friends, and I think it's time to do it as well. Arabic makeup look is really sexy and gorgeous. The beauty of this makeup tutorial is that you don't even need to have that excellent makeup artist skills. If I can do it, you definitely can do it. And it's time to enjoy the Eid. I think I like it so much. It's pretty and nice, so let's dive in. First, I'm priming my face with Essence Primer Plus Studio Mattifying Primer. Next, I'm priming my eyes with MAC Soft Ochre Pro Long Wear Paint Pot. And then I'm applying the transition for my crease from the Ulta's Full Makeup Set. I obviously like this set so much. I'm using the matte tan shade in this palette, bringing it outwards to elongate the eyes and also creating the outer V corner. Next, I'm taking this matte dark purple from the Ulta palette for a more defined crease. I'm just swiping it, concentrating from my middle to the outer, bringing it outwards for a more elongated eyes. I tried to enhance the previous step with this Catrice palette using the dark purple matte shade and just following the strokes, making it enhanced more. At this moment, I feel like the best way to define the corners is using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Kohl Pencil, but it dries up so quickly, so you have to brush it right away after you apply it. Continue drawing and brushing until you meet your desired strong look. The easiest way to clean out the sides is by wiping out with wet tissues. I'm now using this cream base for my inner lid from Ulta set because it can really make the inner shade really pop out. For the middle crease, I tried to use this purple cream from Ulta palette. Now it's time to bring out the real color of this makeup by using this palette from Catrice, and I'm using the lightest purple. And from the same palette, I'm shading my middle crease using the medium purple. I'm defining the corners from the same palette using the darkest purple to blend with the previous pencil line by Maybelline. For the tight lining, I use the same Kohl pencil from Maybelline Lasting Drama, bringing it outwards. I smudge it with the brush, connecting with the harsh lines and also connecting the lower lash line. Next, I'm just filling up the gap between my lashes using the MAC Liquid Lash Liner. I think it's really best for hooded eyelids. Let's leave the eyes for now. For the foundation, I use the Max Factor Radiant Lift in the shade of 85 Warm Caramel, and I changed my brush. I feel like stippling is better. For today's makeup, I use the Essence 16 Hours Concealer to lift and brighten up my eye area. Using a wet beauty blender, dab it all over the applied areas with a dribbling effect. For the contouring, I use the DMAM High Covering Foundation in the shade of Golden Taupe and just brushed and blended it. On top of the contour cream, I use the Maybelline Master Sculpt in the shade of 02 Medium Dark shade. I feel like the bronzer powder from MAC really gives a better effect of blending. Dab it with a wet beauty blender to let the makeup sit in. Cover wet sponge with the tissue for anti-caking effect. And now it's time to go back with the eyes. I'm working on for the inner corner using a small brush with NYX Jumbo Pencil Cream Cottage Cheese shade. And don't forget the lower lid as well. I love tapping the cream with a light shimmer powder shadow from the Ulta palette, adding some purple shadow from the middle lower lash line to the outer corner. To define the lower lash line with a flat brush dipped in Kohl pencil, connecting it with the upper outer corner of the eye. And now it's time to curl the lash. Really take your time in curling the lashes. Lately, I've been liking this Essence Waterproof I Love Extreme Mascara. Take your time in really brushing your lashes. Prepare the brows by brushing it with spoolie first. I'm using the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade of Auburn. Outline the brows starting with the bottom first before the upper. And after connecting the lower with the upper brows, filling up the brows by following the hair direction. Then brush off with spoolie again for a more natural look. And finally, fix the eyebrows with a brow mascara. I'm using the one from Essence Make Me Brow Gel Mascara. A Q-tip can also help you in case you mess up. And then apply a dramatic false lashes for this makeup look. And then blend all together all your lashes using the curler and the mascara. I feel like this kind of makeup look deserves some glitter, so I used the Wet n Wild individual glitter pack. For the base lipstick, I'm using the Avon Simply Pretty Magic Lipstick. Now I'm just lining my lips with the Essence Lip Liner number 8, which is close to my natural tone. And for the final coat, I'm using the Revlon Moisture Lipstick shade 830. Finally, set it all with the Makiaji Loose Powder, a real Arabic makeup brand. Oops, as I'm not really into highlighting, I almost forgot about this, and for now, I'm using the Essence Make Me Glow Liquid Highlighter, and I'm just gonna apply it on the high points of my face. And remember, you're free to make any retouch. There are no right and wrong when it comes to makeup. Okay guys, here's the final look. I hope you like this tutorial. See you in my next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!